Okay friends, I'm going to show you the Montessori pink tower lesson that we have in our class. I have my Montessori rug out, laid nice and flat, so all of the pieces will stay on the rug. I already got the lesson off the shelf. Now when I do this lesson, I want to make sure I take one thing out at a time. So I'm going to take the first thing out. This is the platform that I will be building the tower on, and I'm just going to place that on my mat. Then I'm going to take each block out individually, one at a time, and place it on my mat. And I'm noticing the blocks are different sizes. They're all the same shape, but they are different sizes. So I have all of my blocks out now. The next thing I'm going to do is line them up from big to small on my mat. So I'm going to look for the biggest block, and I think it's this one, and one at a time, I'm just going to place it from the biggest, move this out of the way so you can see, biggest to smallest. Oh, I'm noticing this one is bigger, so I'm going to move it and switch these around. And then the littlest piece goes here. So now I have it from biggest to smallest. And now I can build my tower up tall. So I'm going to use this platform and just one at a time place the blocks. And I want to make sure they're centered so they'll hold the next block. And I will show you so you can see the whole thing. That is the pink tower. When you look from up high, it looks pretty neat. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how to take down the pink tower. So when you're done. So when you're done with the pink tower, you'll still at your mat. And again, we take it down one at a time, one block at a time. We put it back down on our mat. And I'm watching what I'm doing and putting it down gently and carefully back onto my mat. One block at a time. In the same order, actually backwards from how I made the tower. So one at a time. Okay, and if you notice again, I go from big to small. And then when I want to put my lesson away, I make sure I have the bucket and I put it away from big to small. Each piece, one at a time, goes back into the bucket. And then even the platform goes back into the bucket, and I would put this back on the shelf and roll up my mat. So that is the pink tower lesson. You'll get to do the pink tower lesson at home using the paper, and I will show you that on another video.